work with what you have. You don't have to go out and make everything aesthetically pleasing like everybody else. If you don't have the budget for it, don't do that. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's just get into the video. You want to know how to start your YouTube channel? You came to the right place. Grab you a pen, grab you a piece of paper, your iPad, your phone. Take notes because I'm gonna be dropping some gems and some tools that you can use to start your YouTube channel in 2025. Things that you will need, and I'm gonna be looking down because I'm gonna either be looking at my phone or my iPad. Basically, the things that you are going to need. First things first, you need a phone, something with a camera on it. You can use your phone that you're watching this on now, or you can use a camera. If you don't have money for a camera, use your phone. That is the best thing you can start out with. Don't let people tell you that you need to buy a camera. If you don't have the money for it, why buy it? You feel me? If you're an Android girly, that's okay too. You can use that. But I started out using my phone and I used the back camera. I like the front camera, but I used the back camera and I made sure to record in the highest quality possible. So I will include on the screen how you can change your settings and get that clean, crisp T quality. If you have the spare change to get a camera, you can buy the Sony ZV-1. This is a great first camera. See that? But yeah, this is a great camera to start out with if you have the spare change to do that. If I can find links for it, then I will do that and leave them down in the description box for you guys. So the next thing you need to get is a microphone. Right now I'm using the microphone on my camera, but if you don't have a microphone, then like this, if you're using your phone, you get something like this. Oops. You can get a microphone like this. I got it off the TikTok shop. But you can get something like this and you can just hook it up in your phone and you can clip it to your clothes and you should be good to go. This was like $5, maybe $3, something like that. And my next thing is lighting. I know you hear people talk about lighting, but you need to have it. Get you a ring light. That is what this big light is. Let me turn this one off so y'all can see. This is my main light. It is big. I'll include a picture right here, that way y'all can see what I'm talking about. Get you a NEEWER ring light or whatever ring light you can find that is affordable for you. If you can get a ring light, that is the best thing that you can start out with. It's just a small light that you can hook to your phone. It looks like this, very bright. It has different settings. You can turn it up, you can turn it down like that, and you can change how the lighting is. You can change it from cool, warm, and both. Natural. I like natural, but if you prefer cool or warm, do you. And then the light that I have here, it just adds more light onto my face, whereas when I had it off, it looks like there's no light coming from that way. There's light coming from this way, but not that way. So if you can get multiple lights, and this light that I'm using is not that big. I got this on the TikTok shop, like $18. So this one has where you can change the, what do they call it? Yeah, you can change how bright and low you want it. This is all the way up, and I'll put it off to the side, that way it's not directly in my face. And then it also has different modes. Still haven't worked this light yet. It has different modes. With this, you can change how bright you want it, dark, or a window that projects good natural lighting. Like if you have a window in your house, in the living room, in your bedroom, anywhere that you can get natural light, use it. Now when you first get a camera, you want to make sure that you have backup batteries. I have these two batteries right here for my my Sony ZV-1. If you can get backup batteries, they're on Amazon. I'll make sure I link those. Make sure you get backup batteries because you will experience your battery dying when you're recording, and you need to have a backup battery to finish doing your content. Now, the biggest thing that people talk about is having an aesthetic background. You see in my makeup videos, I use a pink floral background. That was good for, you know, doing my makeup and stuff. But this is just a white background. White walls. Like, work with what you have. You don't have to go out and make everything aesthetically pleasing like everybody else. If you don't have the budget for it, don't do that. Make it work for you. You can add a light up here. You can get a light from Five Below or something, like a little saying or whatever. Or you can get some colorful lights and hanging them up behind you, or some paintings or some decor or whatever. But just keep it simple. You don't have to do too much to start out. You want to keep everything simple. So when you're doing thumbnails, make sure you are making your pictures high quality. They cannot look like they don't have no type of lighting. They need to be crisp. Make sure you're taking them in high quality. If you don't know how to edit, use YouTube. Search on YouTube how to edit photos. Use TikTok, how to edit photos. The apps that I use to edit my thumbnail pictures, I use PixArt, Bizart, and Bing Image Creator. Next thing you need is a video editing app. So the app that you hear everybody talk about is CapCut, but CapCut is like having some issues right now because it's linked to TikTok. So there are some other alternatives that you can use to edit your videos. One of the editing apps is iMovie, that is already on your phone, so you can use that. It should be beginner friendly, so I don't see any problems with using that. Next you would have, no, it's called Vita, and then you have VLLO, and then you also have VN. And there are a couple of more video editing apps that you can use, but just do your research. And I would play around with the different apps just to see how you like it with all their the templates and fonts and all of that good stuff. And make sure you have a tripod for your phone or your camera or whatever you're using to record. Make sure you get a tripod, that way you can actually have it set up in front of you or on a stand somewhere where you can have a good angle and people can actually see you when you're recording. Okay, make sure you have non-copyright music in your videos. You do not want to have copyright music, and what I mean by that is playing a regular song that you've heard on radio, you will get a copyright strike. In order for you not to get a copyright strike, make sure you have a non-copyrighted song in your video. Now, what I suggest you do is search on YouTube non-copyrighted music, and there's a ton of videos where you can go through and find a song for your video. Also find them on SoundCloud. There's a ton of ways that you can find music. There's just certain ways that you have to find them. You can't put like the regular name of the song. You have to put something like remix or mash, remake, something like that. You can't put like the actual song because once again you're going to get copyright on your video. I also want to say, make sure that when you are editing on your video, you can search how to edit on YouTube. You can also watch YouTube videos to get content or to come up with ideas for content. I know that I would struggle with figuring out how to create content videos, like come up with content, because for me, I was doing makeup videos. So I would have to go on Pinterest to find makeup ideas and then put my own little spin on it. Or I would look at other YouTube creators that did makeup as well, and just try and get an eye of what they created and then put my own spin on it. So just do things like that. Search on YouTube different things that align with your niche, and just go from there. And as far as posting, make sure you post, you know, everybody says that you're supposed to post 2 to 3 times a week, and that's not realistic for some people. So I'm not gonna recommend you do 2 to 3 times a week, because that's just pushing it, and you're starting out and you don't want to overwork yourself. So I would say 1 to 2 times a week. And you also want to make sure that you batch your content ahead of time. That way you don't struggle with finding content when you want to upload. And also that comes into play when you're trying to be consistent on your channel. Now, for me to say that is a big thing, because I had struggled with staying consistent. And I was doing videos on my YouTube and trying to keep incorporating with my Instagram and my TikTok, and that's how I experienced burnout. Another thing is, make content that you enjoy. Don't just make content to just make it. For me, doing makeup videos, that is something that I enjoy doing, and I will keep doing it because I enjoy doing makeup. So do the content that makes you happy and that you are going to enjoy doing in the long run. If you like doing arts and crafts, make a video about creating your own coloring book, or doing a DIY project. Make that your content for your channel. Or if you are on this self-care journey and you love everything about wellness, tell people about how they can start their wellness journey. Make content that you enjoy doing so that you don't regret it after the fact. Another big thing is you want to make sure that your videos have SEO optimization, and that you have keywords in your title, video description, and that you're using tags that are related to your videos. And what I mean by that is, if I have a makeup video and my title is how to do a soft glam with a cut crease, I would put in my title those words plus hashtags makeup, hashtag beauty, something like that. And then in your description box, you want to make sure you put your little what the video is about and your social handles, and then you can put keywords in there as well, and then hashtags. Now you can use ChatGPT. If you know how to use ChatGPT, you can use ChatGPT and ask it how to give you keywords, hashtags that are related to a video about makeup and things of that nature, or whatever niche you're in, or whatever the video is about. Now, I will not gatekeep on how to come up with ideas for your content. I suggest going on Pinterest. If you are having trouble trying to figure out what content ideas to come up with, go on Pinterest. Please. I know there are people like me and you that struggle with coming up with content ideas, and you're looking for them and you can't find them. So I want to tell you right now, go to Pinterest. Look on Pinterest for ideas about your specific niche. If you're doing makeup, look for makeup looks. I'm going to show you right now. Look for makeup looks. Makeup looks. It could be soft glam, full glam, any type of glam, any type of makeup look. If you're going for a natural beat, they have it. If you're going for a simple, they have it. They have videos on where you can, I won't play the audio, but they have videos where you can watch and put your own spin on it. That one really doesn't show. Let me see if I can find another one. Like this beautiful girl Naya K, her videos on TikTok. But this is a video that you can watch. I know it's on TikTok, but it's on Pinterest. You can watch this video, learn how to do your makeup, and then come back and make a video on it. If I didn't touch on anything and you still have questions about anything, not be afraid to ask me. I will definitely help you on figuring it out. I'm not a gatekeeper. I don't like when people gatekeep because there's enough knowledge for people to know. Like, why not share it with other people? So if you, like I said, if you are struggling with finding content, or if there's anything that I had left out and that you still have questions on, please comment down below. I am not a gatekeeper. Please comment down below. I will gladly help you. I'm a girl's girl. I know a lot of people say that they're the girl's girl, but they're really not. I am a girl's girl. Okay? That's what I'm here for. I'm a girl's girl. I'm a Gemini. Okay? I know people say Geminis are two-faced, but that's not me. If you know me, you know. So, yeah. But that's a whole nother thing. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and share these little tidbits about how to start a YouTube channel, how to start your content creation journey, because I'm still on my content creation journey. Your girl is at 200 something, so, and I'm trying to make it to that big 1,000. Okay, we still trying to get there. I've been on this journey for a few years now, so it's time to get the ball rolling again. So yeah, I'm on this journey with y'all. So like I said before, make sure y'all like this video. If you liked it, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and subscribe to me. And I will check y'all in the next video. Bye.